7-chakra healing layout. Raymond Reiki Bear has agreed to have his chakras cleaned, cleared, balanced, and aligned today, and he is going to feel really, really good. These are the palm stones that we'll be using. There are 7 specific ones. We'll be using yellow calcite, pink Mangano calcite, blue calcite, amethyst, blue apatite, carnelian, and golden healer. These are some alternates, and I will show you what we'll do with them a little bit in a moment or two. If y'all have any questions as we're going along, please let me know. Amethyst for the crown, blue apatite for the third eye, blue calcite for throat, pink Mangano for heart, yellow calcite for solar plexus, golden healer for the sacral, and then carnelian for the root. The amethyst is placed just above Raymond Reiki Bear's crown chakra. Blue apatite on his third eye, and then on top of his little bow tie is the blue calcite right there. We have the pink Mangano for the heart, yellow calcite for his solar plexus, and then golden healer for the sacral chakra. And down here, in between his legs, just below his root chakra, is the carnelian. I like to do this even with my human clients. And if we were doing this remote, then this is how I would do it also, using Raymond Reiki Bear as the placeholder for my client. Let's take this a step farther, or more, deeper into the energy clearing. If you work with Reiki and you're doing crystal Reiki, this is the primary layout. Sorry for the stumbling. It is okay. So here's the extra. If your person, remote or there with you, wants help with feeling more peaceful, really clearing out their throat chakra, then you could, parallel or, in alignment with the throat. So if I can share this with you in a way that makes sense. So right about here is Raymond's throat chakra. So you can place Chrysocolla, which is the peace stone and the throat chakra stone, right there. And let's see, extra root chakra. Maybe the person has been feeling some trauma or some hurt, some fear, more than what we usually, our human sides always do. There's always fear. How about adding some banded agate to cut away? Let's put it here at the solar plexus. So if I just go like so, then hopefully this is alignment. There we go. Okay, so aligned with Raymond's solar plexus. Usually most of the attachments, not all, but most of the attachments that we don't want are concentrated right at the solar plexus, because that's the place of our manifestation. Grounding would also help with the root chakra, and this is petrified wood. So we could put that, let's put that right with the sacral chakra, in alignment with the sacral. Okay, so right here-ish. And it can be a little closer to the body. And then for manifestation, this is flower agate, and that can go right next to or in alignment with the root chakra. prosperity and abundance, survival issues, passion. Okay? Usually, well, not usually, well, yes, usually, if the root chakra is blocked along with the sacral and the solar plexus, then we're not grounded, and the manifestation energy can't really flow up into and through the solar plexus. So alignment with your heart chakra, and we're going to put this selenite right in between the throat and the solar plexus chakras right here. So the selenite is directly aligned with the pink Mangano for the heart chakra. What does that do? It helps absorb any additional negativity, some hurt, some, past life, or any previous feelings, thoughts, energy that really interfere with moving forward in someone's life. So those are the three. Well, yeah, we have a lot more than three, but the basic 7: root chakra, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and the crown. And our extras are, for the throat chakra, peacefulness, serenity, speaking their truth, Chrysocolla, selenite to help absorb any additional energies through the heart chakra, banded agate aligned with the solar plexus to cut, remove, pull, disintegrate, dissolve, melt any negativity, negative attachments, cords, those kinds of things. And then for the sacral chakra, because relationships of all kinds, money, prosperity, abundance, opportunities, career advancement, intimate relationships, another partner, family of all kinds, co-workers, can help ground the energy that someone may be experiencing through their sacral chakra. And then to help boost the clearing, cleansing, balancing, and alignment for the root chakra, we have red hematoid quartz, and we have the flower agate for the prosperity energy that comes through. There you have it, beautiful soul. Thank you, Raymond.